Hey besties! I just wanted to pop in today and show my face because I know I don't do that very often, but I am going to be working on that. I promise. I will try to show this beautiful face more. No, I'm just kidding. But I do want to say, hey to all my new subscribers. I cannot believe we hit 500, you guys. I'm so excited to do this giveaway. And the announcement video will be coming sometime over the next couple days, so keep an eye out for that. And also, Madam Glam sent over some very exciting items that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So, let's get into it. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. So as I was saying, Madam Glam sent over some items. I'm always so excited getting nail mail from Madam Glam, and as I've said before, they are quickly becoming my favorite brand. They're just so pleasant to work with, and they have super high quality products. You really just can't beat it with Madam Glam. So, they have some new acrylic paint pens. Oh, I'm so excited about these. I love a good paint pen. And these ones, I will just say now, are freaking amazing. They work so good. And I do want to point out that these are vegan, cruelty, palm oil, and 21 free. So shout out for that. Got to keep that quality across all products, so that is super appreciated. These do have some directions on the back. It says to let them air dry for about 10 to 20 seconds. And they do have, I think in total, 10 or 12. I will leave it in the description down below how many they do have in total. But I did only pick 5 of them. And as always, these will be listed down in the description along with my discount code. So if you guys want to check these out, be sure to take advantage of that. So you do have to prime these. This one did take a little bit longer to prime, but I did notice with the other ones, they took on average about 3 pumps to get the ink to the tip. And they write beautifully. Look at that. They do unscrew right up by the cap too. I haven't unscrewed one yet, but I'm guessing if for some reason you are going to prime it and you make a mess, you can take the cap off to clean it, I'm guessing. This one primed a little quicker. But yeah, they all seem to prime right about 3 pumps, so just keep that in mind. And I love how vibrant this color is. Look at that orange. My goodness. And I do want to mention these dry matte, which is really nice. Yeah, see, that one primed a little bit quicker as well. Look at how cute. I love how vibrant these colors are, and they are not leaking everywhere. I know most of us will not be using these on paper, but they don't bleed through the paper either. So, I just love the ease. Look at how easy that was. A cloud, that easy. So anyone who struggles with nail art, I would highly recommend getting these. These are so fun. I am definitely going to have to pick up the rest of the collection of these, for sure. And I do. I love all of you. All 509 of you. Look at how good those write. Now, I will say they are a little bit different drawing on a nail, but if you prep your nail right with whatever base color you want and do a nice coat of matte top coat, it is super easy to draw on. When we do go to do a couple quick nail designs, you will see that I have my nails all prepped with my base color and a nice good matte top coat. And I do test out I have a black acrylic paint pen that I picked up from Temu. that I use in this right here. And I just wanted to compare like the way that the inks dried and stuff. And that's when I noticed that the black pen dries with like a semi sheen to it. And the Madame Glam ones dry matte, which I like the matte finish way better. So like I said, I got my tips all prepped. I do want to do a nail design coming up, but I was not ready to part with my nails yet. So we are doing it on swatch sticks today, guys. But you will still get the idea of it. These are super fun pins. I absolutely love these things. And I was so excited to see that Madame Glam came out with some. So, as I said, I did not want to part with these nails. I really, really like them. I do have to pop them off today, actually, sadly. My left hand, at least, because I have more content to create. And I do enjoy doing it on my actual hand, opposed to swatch sticks or just nails. So, starting off, we are going to pop open this red and get into it. And I'm going to let this part just kind of play out and let you guys watch me draw on some nails and create some fun designs. And I will pop back in as needed.
I've been over drinking lately. You've been overthinking, baby. Can we just start telling them lies? Yeah, yeah. Hopping a brand new Mercedes. Let's live life like Tom and Katie. Driving off like we're taking flight. Yeah, yeah. Hey, so what? We're having fun. I like to take you for some nights. To get on my back to the moon and sun. No pain just left. We on the run. Oh. Can't we just run away? Take a trip to Baja Bay with someone young trying to stay. Ay. Looking at like we ain't going back. Counting dimes, baby. I won't waste.
And keeping in mind, these do have to dry for 10 to 20 seconds in between coating over it. So if you want to add colors on top of your design, make sure you are waiting that 10 to 20 seconds for it to fully dry, which is why we didn't finish the nail, but I just used the orange on. So keep that in mind.
You look good there all in white. Yeah, life is good, we on a ride. Pretty lips with some pretty hair. Butterflies when you breathe in air. You've been always in my prayers. 1, 2, 3, go. I've been over drinking lately. You've been overthinking, baby. Can we just start telling them lies? Yeah, yeah. Hopping a brand new Mercedes. Let's live life like Tom and Katie. Driving off like we're taking flight. Yeah, yeah. Hey, so what? We're having fun. I like to take you for some nights. Get on my back to the moon and sun. No more pain just left. We on the run. Oh.
I did notice a little bit of separation right here on his eye, but that is literally the only area that I had any issues. Other than that, these work beautifully. Again, I highly, highly, highly recommend these for anyone who likes doing nail art.
Down deep below, you get pulled by
Look at how cute they all are. Oh my goodness, I cannot get over how amazing these pins are. I absolutely love them, and I would highly recommend them to anyone, whether you be good or bad at nail art, because I mean, again, look at how easily and quickly I just did all these different designs. And as long as you have given them that 10 to 20 seconds to fully dry, they have no problem getting top coated with shiny or matte top coat. I did do shiny off camera on a couple of these and then matte on the rest, and they turned out beautifully. I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick little video today. If you did, if you could leave the video a like and a comment if you are feeling generous, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out more than you guys know, and I just love reading all your different comments. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Like I said, I will be doing a full-on nail design with these. I have a very cool design in mind, so that will be coming soon. And a big thank you to Madam Glam for sending these over for me to test out. I will definitely be picking up more of these. I will leave them listed down in the description along with my discount code, so be sure to check that out if you are going to pick up any of these pins. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this one today, you guys. I will have another video coming this weekend, and it is the start of my new series. So again, make sure you're subscribed with post notifications on. You won't want to miss it. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!